Students, we have discussed how to calculate profit and how to calculate loss. What do we understand by selling price, cost price? Now we'll try to understand that what generally is presented in the numerical figures when there is a shopkeeper or when there is a retailer or a wholesaler or a manufacturer or any organization or company. How do they talk about whether they are earning profit or they are earning losses? Generally, they do talk in terms of rupees, but mostly everything is converted into a percentage and then it is quoted. So we have to understand what is profit and loss percentage. Now, what is profit percentage and what is loss percentage? It is directly that whatever profit we are earning, we have to calculate for profit percent, we'll be calculating taking into consideration the profit, and when we are going to calculate loss, we will be taking into consideration the loss. When we want to calculate loss percentage, we'll be taking into consideration loss. Now, whether a company is earning profit or loss, it is always earning a loss or profit on the cost price. The money at which I am buying a thing is going to decide that whether I'll be making a profit or loss. Whatever extra money I'm getting it on my cost price. Whatever extra money or whatever deficient money I am having, or if I am selling, that is also going on the cost price. So for calculating profit percent or loss percent, we will be considering the cost price only. So profit and loss percent represents what part of the cost price is profit or loss. Now when we are calculating the profit percent, it will be profit by CP, that is the cost price, into 100. And if we are calculating loss, तो loss तो आना ही है because we are calculating the loss, and on which are we incurring loss, it is on the cost price, so it will be loss divided by cost price. So profit by cost price into 100 is profit percent, loss divided by cost price into 100 is loss percent. Clear enough? Then just let's solve one example. I bought tomatoes for 20 rupees and I'm selling it for 24 rupees. So यहाँ से आपको what do you understand? You will be having profit. That is profit of 4 rupees. Very simple. Now when you have to calculate the profit percent, now what are you going to consider out of the 20 rupees and 24 rupees? I told you, you have to consider the cost price. So यहाँ पे you will be calculating for calculating profit percent. You will be doing profit, that is 4 rupees, divided by the cost price, that is 20 rupees. So 4 by 20 into 100, because we will have to calculate percent, so 100 तो आएगा ही आएगा. So what it is going to be? It is going to be 100, 20 into 5 is 100. So 20 will be cancelled by 100. 5 fours is 20. So 20%. Is that clear? Let's have one more example. There is a person, Vibha. He makes a profit of 20% by selling an article for 480 rupees. Now what you are given is, you are given the selling price, you are given the profit percent, and you are not given the cost price. The cost price we have to suppose. Now why are we going to suppose? Because we know that we are given the profit percentage. Now we are given the profit percentage, that means we are given something like profit by CP into 100 is equal to 20. That is what we are given with, and we are also given the selling price, that is the 480. That means CP plus something is 480. Is that the case? Then now we have to calculate the cost price. Now we will suppose it to be 100. हमें नहीं पता cost price कितनी है, we are just supposing it. हम जैसे algebraic equations we solve using x and all, we are supposing over here that let the cost price be 100. Now if the cost price is 100 and profit percentage is given, so we can easily calculate the profit over here. Profit will be 20, whatever percent we are having, that is on the cost price. So 20% of 100 will be 20 rupees. Then the selling price will be cost price plus the profit. So 100 plus 20, 120. So now we have the cost price is 100, profit is 20, and selling price is 120. Now when we say that selling price is 120, तो हमारा cost price कितना आया? 100. Now we'll be using the unitary method, that if my selling price is 120, the cost price is 100. So if my selling price is 1 rupee, what will be my cost price? Using unitary method, it will be 100 by 120. Now what is given in the question? Given in the question is that my selling price is not 120 or any other, but it is 480. So let's go on. So when my selling price is 480, the cost price will be 100 divided by 120 into 480. So when you will be solving this numerical equation, it will give that the cost price is 400. Do try it once, and if you have any doubt, you can just ask. I'll be solving them also. In case you are not able to understand, do let me know. Then we can have direct formulas from this equation. That is, when you are given a gain and you do not know the cost price but the selling price is given, you can directly use the formula 100 divided by 100 plus gain into selling price. Now let's go back to the question. The question is, what was the formula? 100 divided by 100 plus gain percent, that is 100 divided by 120 into the selling price. Is not this last equation that we have, is not this equation the same that is given in the formula? The thing you need to keep in notice is that when it is the gain, you need to add it into the denominator. You need to add it into the denominator, and when it is a loss, you need to subtract it from the denominator. ये चीज़ हमेशा याद रखना, गेन है तो वो ऐड होगी, बिकॉज गेन है, कुछ गेन किया है आपने. एंड व्हेन इट इज अ कॉस्ट, व्हेन इट इज the loss, you need to subtract it. Very much clear now? So now let's go on to the next question. That is, Ranjan sold 2 articles for 2970 each. Selling price of 2 different articles is given. One product for 2970, the other product for 2970. And lost 10% of one and gain 10% on. मतलब 2 articles थे, 1A and B. Over one, the selling price of both is same, but there is a gain over one and there is a loss over one, but the loss and gain is same for both. How much she gain or loss? How much is the gain or loss percentage in the whole transaction? Now what you're given is, you're given the selling price, you're given the loss percentage and gain percentage. You can directly find the cost price. जब आपने loss percentage का find करना है, you will write down 100 divided by loss, so it is going to be 100 minus 10. 100 divided by 90 into 2970. On the other hand, it will be 100 divided by 110 into 2970. You will be getting the cost price of both. So आपके पास दोनों के कॉस्ट प्राइस आ गए, तो उन दोनों के कॉस्ट प्राइस को ऐड करो और सेलिंग प्राइस दोनों के ऐड करके यू कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज द ओवरऑल, वेदर देयर इज अ गेन और वेदर देयर इज अ लॉस. This is a question given. Find SP of an article which cost price is given and the gain percentage is given. Now we have to go the opposite direction, that cost price is given and gain percentage is given. Now what is the selling price? तो यहाँ पे भी cost price को फिर से assume. Never assume the selling price, क्योंकि जो profit है और loss है, it is always and always on the cost price. तो हम हमेशा cost price को ही assume करेंगे, and what will assume it as? It will be 100. So when we are assuming the cost price is 100, gain percentage से हमारा gain क्या आ जाएगा? 7% of 100, that is 7 rupees. Then the selling price will be profit plus gain, profit plus cost price, it is 107. Now going by the unitary method, that if cost price is 100, selling price is 107, that means if my cost price is 1, how much will be my selling price? It will be 107 divided by 100. Now my cost price given is 560, so my selling price will be 107 divided by 100 into 560. So you will get the direct selling price. Now we'll generalize and we'll try to find कि अगर हमारे पास cost price और gain percentage और loss percentage दिया हुआ है, तो what is the direct formula for finding the selling price? आपको unitary method लगाना ही नहीं पड़े, आप directly question में solve करो and you get the correct answer. So this is the formula. वहाँ पे when we were finding out the cost price, तो चाहे उसी को आप मैनिपुलेट करके ये फाइंड कर लो, चाहे इसको ऐसे याद कर लो. दैट सेलिंग प्राइस, हमेशा ये याद रखना कि व्हेनेवर देयर इज गेन यू हैव टू ऐड एंड व्हेनेवर देयर इज अ लॉस यू हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट. सो सेलिंग प्राइस विल बी 100 plus gain divided by 100 into CP, and when it is a loss, selling price will be 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100 into cost price. Clear enough, I suppose? So this was the cost price. cost price दिया हुआ है, तो ये इधर से ही selling price को अगर हम left side पे ले गए और या फिर सेलिंग प्राइस को राइट साइड पे रखा तो डिनोमिनेटर विल गो इनटू द न्यूमरेटर एंड योर न्यूमरेटर विल कम इनटू द डिनोमिनेटर. So just changing the terms here and there, we'll be getting this formula. I suppose it is very much clear. You can use the unitary methods also, but just to save your time, it is better that you just remember these formulas. Then, after these, there are many questions given for you to solve. Just try to solve them, and wherever you face any issue, any problem, we will discuss them in the class. This is a total capsule form में आपको I have given everything, that what is cost price, what is selling price. Now if the selling price is, if the selling price is higher, you are earning a profit, or we say gain. The profit formula is given, that is selling price minus cost price. If the selling price is less than the cost price, you incur loss, and that loss is given by CP minus SP. Profit percentage का formula दे दिया, loss percentage का formula दे दिया. Now when you have SP and you have to calculate CP, uska formula de diya, and when you have CP and you have to calculate SP, I have given the formula for that also. Now what your activity is, whatever questions are there in this presentation, you are going to solve them, and then we will take up your doubts in whatever next session we have. So that's all for today. Thank you.